Storeino is not only a store creation platform. Storeino is your revolutionary future. Our stores achieve a high conversion rate due to its availability on a variety of customizable themes and the ability to easily manage them, products, and inventory. In addition, the ability to directly link your store with express delivery companies and call centers to confirm orders. We provide you with a set of the best apps that help you run your project with high efficiency, besides a set of important features like API conversion, Facebook multiple pixels, TikTok pixels, and config checkout. With Storeino, your site will be ranked at the first positions in the search engines thanks to its strong archiving of sites. That's not all. It also provides you with a multi-services shop, which brings together many creative at your service to advance your project, in addition to continuous support throughout the week. You'll find all of this and more at Storeino.com. So what are you waiting for? Create your site now and take your project to the next level.